Basket full of fruits, vegetables and snacks. Let's see what's inside. It's a yellow lemon. Green cabbage. Orange. Slice of bread. French fries. Basket full of French fries. Leaf of a lettuce. Egg yolk. We can make an omelette from this. Bread loaf. Brown bread loaf. Yummy slice of a pizza with cheese, vegetables and pepperoni. Slice of a pizza in triangle shape. Bottle of a tomato paste. We can use it in cooking. Red strawberry. Again, red tomato. Brown turkey.
Wow! Brown
Cupcake with a beautiful icing. Cupcake. Donut. Brown donut made up with a brown bread with sugar on top of it.
Look, it's a penny. Wow. Wow, penny, wow.
These are potato chips. We love it. Yellow potato chips.
Potato chips.
Piece of cucumber. Sliced cucumber. Brown potato. Fruit cocktail. A tin of fruit cocktail. Dark chocolate. Brown in color. Dark chocolate.
Chocolate. Where is chocolate? Chocolate.
Piece of watermelon. Red watermelon.
Watermelon. Watermelon. Hello, watermelon pizza.
Cookies. Chocolate cookies. With a different icing. One is strawberry and other is lemon. Grapes. Grapes. Slice of tomatoes. Red tomatoes. Sliced tomatoes. Bottle of soda. Cream soda. We can drink after our dinner or lunch. Bottle of apple cider with vinegar. Brown color. Again came a different type of donut with a chocolate icing. Everyone's favorite, egg, white in color. Green peas. Green peas. Banana. Yellow ripe banana. Few different types of biscuits. We love biscuits. They are brown in color. Corn. Yellow corn. Can full of butter. Fresh butter. Yellow color. Hot dog. Everyone loves hot dog. Bottle of ketchup. Goes well with everything. Pineapple. Nice yellow ripe pineapple. Orange. Ripe orange. Another chocolate. Rectangular in shape. Chocolate.